This video is going to look at a new feature in Adaptable introduced in 18.1, the latest version of our AG-Grid extension, and that's a percentage cell editor. So it's not going to be a mainstream feature, but we know that there are a number of users who will find it very useful. And as the name implies, it's a cell editor that is designed for working with percentages. And it's actually, so let me actually show you kind of what we mean in Excel. So in Excel, if we have the number, say 0.1234567, we can make that a percentage. So we can format the cell, we can say it's a percentage, and now it displays as 12.35%, but also if I edit it, it stays as a percent. So if I make that 14%, it will stay, but the underlying number, of course, will now be 0.14, etc. So you can do the same thing in Adaptable. So here we have this column here. In fact, we have exactly the same thing, 0.123456. And it's a two-stage process to do it. So let's make this full screen, and we'll show you what those are. So the first thing that you do is for editing, and that is you just literally apply the Adaptable percentage editor to the column, in this case the usage column. If you're using React, there's an Adaptable React percentage editor. And the other thing you'll want to do is you want to create a format column. So for instance, if we were to go into styling, we were to go to create format column, and then all we want is just literally the percentage format. So now when it's in display mode, we see the 12.35, and because we've got this percentage editor, when I edit, I see the 12.35%, and again, if I change that to 14 like I did in Excel, it changes in the same way. And you can, so that's the formatting. There are a couple of other things that you can do. We have some cell editor params. So for instance, you can decide whether to show a clear button, the default is true, and you can also set what will be the empty value if you were to clear it. So again, if we were to go full screen, show the code, we can see here, this time we said that the empty value is 1, so that now if I was to edit this one and I was to clear it, you can see it defaults to 1, which is 1%. And that's it, that's the percentage editor. It allows you to edit cells and to keep the percentage, and that works with the existing display format of percentage to ensure that even though the underlying value might be 0.12345 whatever, the user will see 12.35 both when the cell is displayed, but now also when the cell is edited. As always, thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more about Adaptable, please get in touch. We'll be delighted to provide you with your own free no obligation trial license, or indeed give you a demo so you can see all the features that we offer. Thank you for watching.